Waiting for a train, I was dancing with my baby in the summer rain. I remember